Hello guys, this is a instruction video about ROC. What is ROC? First of all guys, there are many new players who do not know about ROC. I tell you, this is the event. You can check it in the event. It is totally 55 days, means approx 8 week. Approx 8 week. Here you can go. You can check the alliances score. We are at 59 now. So by doing this, I will tell you what to do and what to know, what do not do. I will tell you to do. First of all, we have an existing hive. Okay, we have recently shift here when ROC has begun. So here see, many of the player has put their buildings. First of all, what to do? Here we have AC. AC means alliance center. Okay, so this is we have to build this building near that to protect from enemy. If the enemy will come, they cannot teleport just here, they will teleport here if there is an empty place. If we fill also here, they will do teleport here. So that is why I told everybody to round the buildings near AC. We have reached near AC to put the buildings, and we have to also occupy these things. Like I have occupied just these things. How to place your own building? First of all, go to see, here is an option build. Go to build. You can check there is a guardian fortress. In first AC1 you will get 1 2 3 4 buildings you will got to put here. So according to that you will put by rotating all the buildings, like here one, so here ones, and your castle, this thing's called castle. Your castle should be here, means 10 to 15 kilometers away from AC, so that we can fill this space when other members should join beside us. And many of us question how to teleport. So how to get teleport? Good question. You will get here by completing this COP event. In COP event you have to always, every day has a new event. See, today is a gathering resources event, so you have to gather as much as resources and you will gain points by that. Okay, these things. See, our alliance already has scored 119 million points. That is good. After completing the next day, if we in rank, good rank, we will get some percentage of this reward, like 400 gems. You will every time, means you have seen that you have got 400 gems from this COP event because we are in rank. That is why you will got those points. And here you can also be an MVP if you work hard. See, like our player Malau has scored 15. Many player of Dogtown has scored 16. Many player are scoring here. That will be nice. This is COP event. Every day you should check here what is the mission, like gathering hero resources. One thing, if there is a hero training day, so you have to train your hero. Before training hero, you must if you have 10, you must exchange 100 and you use 1. If you exchange it, you will got 100%. This will means if you will get 100 point, if you will get 100 point, it will become 500 point by using this, or 1 by, or if you use 100 percent, then you will get 1000 point instead of 100 point. You must use this according to your how much you have. And advanced teleport you can buy here like gems, or you can directly put by using gems. Gems is more important to work. You must have lots of gems, or at least you just every day hunt at least one level 20 giant. First giant you should be level 20. If you will lose a soldier, forget about it. This will be come in your healing center like this. Here this all means who has been defeated will be here. See, I have this. Your troops also have been this. So you must hit first. Your priority is level 20 giant to hit. Okay. If you lose one time, then attack, make the same giant rally second time or third time or fourth time. In one time you will win and you will got too much reward. See, like level 1 giant you will get only 50 gems, and how much you are increasing you will get reward. And many of us question how to get stones to build. We need lots of stones. That is why we have to donate in alliance this one, so we will get point and we can buy here many things. In store we have many things like shield or stone, but I prefer to buy here once. But you should, there is a monster who give you stone every day. I tell you, if I can find the monster. See, this monster is giving 500 stone, x25, 10k this power, this new things are giving. So you must hit this one to get all the, and you must, before placing your building, you must occupy this. Like, see, I am occupying here. Okay, if there is a empty place, I will occupy it. See, there is no one, so I have to occupy this. I will send my legion to occupy this land. So I hope you all guys have understood. If you have any doubt, you can comment down below. I will make second video to clear all the doubt. Okay, and another thing I am telling you that in ROC, when ROC start, I told you ROC is a 8-week process. So here you are, after placing your building, you have to produce, you have to upgrade these buildings, and then when the war has begun, like next Monday will be a war with another single alliance, not in our state alliance, but another state, like we are 462, the another state is 461. So they are single alliance. See, we have got by attacking this. Their single alliance will attack us, not the whole. Means alliance versus alliance, not the whole one. I hope you all guys understood. We have to protect this building and also try to destroy their building by going there. That is why we are working hard to build this here. Many alliances, you just follow this other alliances to work. See, like our main alliance, big alliance, they have how big they make their, no one can enter there inside it. I hope you all guys has understood. If you have any question, you can ask me. I will tell you. Good luck.